Hello, welcome back to school. I'm halfway dressed, and I have my pizza in the oven, and I started a load of laundry because my undergarments I was gonna wear on Sunday have already been worn, so I have to wash my laundry. Otherwise, I'll be wearing black and gray, and it just doesn't go well. So, we did lessons 1 and 2. Now we're moving on to lesson 3. Lesson 3 deals with the number 7. How many points are on the star? I'm just going to say 7 without having to count them up. Yeah, there are 7. What figure shows how many points are on how many points the star has? What figure? The number 7. Write the figure that shows how many points, how many dots are in each rectangle. Okay. Oh, I wonder when they're talking about these rectangles? Like, I wonder if they're talking about the two halves together. Like, the one on the left has 7, and then there's blank on the right one. But then the rectangle has 6, and then there's 1, and then the one on the right, on the far left. No, I'm confused. But you kind of get my picture. There's 4, no, there's 5, then there's 2, then there's 4, and then there's 3. I wonder if those are the rectangles they're talking about. So the figure 7 would show how many dots are in these rectangles. Illustrate and write the answers in figures. Okay, and again we have more story problems. This one says, how many separate squares and triangles can you make with these? You can make 1 square and 1 triangle. That's something in my eye, and it's not my finger. The next one says, after making 2 triangles, how many 7 sticks? Oh, with 7 sticks, how many will you have left over? You will have 1 stick left over. How many more sides has a square than a triangle? A square has 1 more side than a triangle. A square and a triangle together have how many sides? 7 sides. 5 cents and 2 cents are how many cents? Or how much money? 7 cents. If you have 7 cents and spent 3 cents, how many cents will you have? You will have 5 cents. Wait, if you have 7 cents and you spent 3, you would have 4 cents. Eddie has all these sticks to work with. Eddie first made a triangle. How many sticks had he left? 4 sticks were left. If you give 5 cents for a 1 cent thimble, how many cents ought you get you receive in return? If you give 5 cents for a 1-cent thimble, you would get 4 cents in return. Oh, we already did that one. In 7 mittens, how many odd mittens? There would be 1 odd mitten. 4 gills make a pint. 4 gills make a pint. My pizza's done. If one mug holds a pint of milk and another mug holds a gill less, how many gills of milk do each hold? Okay, if one mug holds a pint and another holds a gill less, than a pint, or holds 1 gill less than a pint. Hold on, I'm thinking. How many gills of milk do both mugs hold? Okay, 1 mug is going to hold 1 pint of milk. Wait, how many gills? Okay, 1 mug is going to hold 4 gills, and the other one is going to hold I don't understand this. And another mug holds a gill less than a pint. No, hold on. 4 gills make a pint. Holds 1 gill less than a pint. So 1 mug would hold 7 gills. No, 1 mug would hold 4 gills, and the other mug would hold 3 gills, and you would have 7 gills. I'm gonna go and get my pizza before it burns. I don't even think it's done. Look at that. There's no way that's done. Okay, so the pizza is not done. I put the timer back on. I gotta charge you again. Here we go, we're at 82%. Now, 7 gills is what that last problem was. Next page is on page 52, and this is lesson 4. I'm going to stop at 53 because it looks like a whole bunch of writing. More slate work. Okay, lesson 4, page 52. And this one deals with the number 9. How many sides have this polygon? We're going to say 9 sides. Write the figure that shows how many sides this polygon has. Okay, I will do that when I copy this out. Write the figure that shows how many sides, how many dots are in each rectangle. And that would be 9. Illustrate and write the answers in figures. More of these dumb problems. I really can't wait till we're out of this chapter. I don't like this chapter. If you have 9 sticks and use 5 to form a pentagon, how many sticks will you have left? You'll have 4 sticks left. If you have 9 sticks, wait, I didn't do the one with the squares. Let me do the one with the squares, because I didn't see that one. How many sides have 3? Well, they're triangles. I don't know my shapes. Okay, how many sides have 3 triangles? 3 triangles will have 9 sides. Okay, we're going to skip the one with the sticks, with the 9 sticks and the pentagon, because we already did that one. The next one is how many how many L's? Corners? How many corners can you make with 9 sticks? How many corners can you make with 9 sticks? I think you can only make 4 corners with 9 sticks. How many sticks will you have left? You'll have 1 stick left. If you have 9 sticks and form 2 squares, how many sticks will you have left? You will have 1 stick left. Looks like you're looking at the ceiling. Are you guys looking up at the ceiling? I don't know. I gotta find my spot again. If you have 9 apples and I have 5, how many more have you than I? 4 more. You would have 4 more than I would, or however that would be. I gotta find my spot again. Okay, Mary is 9 years old, and Annie is 2 years old. How much older is Mary than Annie? Mary is 7 years older than Mary. It took a week and 3 days to build a wall. How many days will it take to build the wall? It took a week and 3 days. How many days did it take to build the wall? A week and 3 days. Or do they want like 9 days? Because 7 days is equal to a week. So maybe they're grouping a week as like a part or like a group of something. Okay, I think we're going to say 9 days on that one. The last one. If you have 9 sticks and use 4 to form a square, how many sticks will you have left? You will have 5 sticks left. And with that, I think I can smell my pizza, so we're gonna check on the pizza again. Okay. Well, it looks better. I think I might just take it out and see. I don't know. I'm gonna cut this up and eat some. I think this is a good time for a break. I have no clue what I did to this pizza, but oh my gosh, it is really, really good. Okay, moving on with arithmetic. I have pizza in my stomach, digesting, and the leftovers are put away. I don't know why this is not charging. There it goes. Okay. So, moving on to lesson number 5, which is a writing exercise, it looks like. Write in words the facts that are illustrated by the drawings below. Okay. It looks like there's columns. So we're going to do the left side, then we're going to do the right side. Okay, so the first one says 4. Are these all adding? All adding? I don't know. It looks like if there's a line through them, then they're subtracting. That's if I'm reading these right. Okay. 4 and 2 are 7. 6 and 2 are not 8. 3 and 2 are 3 and 2 are 5, and 5 and 2 are 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2 are 9, and I gotta count these up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9 less 2. 9 less 2 are 7. 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 less 2 are 5. 2, 4, 6. 8 less 2 are 6. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 less 3 are 1, 2. That's 4. No. 9 less 3. 2. 9 less 3 are 6. And then this one says 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7 less 3 are 4. And then the next one says 1. 5 less 3 are 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 less 3 are 5. 9 less 4 are 5. I think I skipped some of these on the other side. Yeah, I'm going to have to go back and do the other side where after the boxes with the dots. And I'm going to go back and do those because I saw that I skipped them by accident. My hand was in the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 less 9 less 6 are 3. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to the left side and do the ones that are underneath the box with the squares. Or the squares with the dots. So we got 4 and 3. 4 and 3 are 8. No, 4 and 3 are 7. Yeah. 4, 5, 6. Is it 4 and 3 are 8? 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7. 4 and 3 are 7. And then 2, 4, 6. 6 and 3 are 9. And 2, 4, 5. 5 and 3 are 9. 5 and 3 are 8. 5 and 3 are 8. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 5 are... What are 4 and 5? 4 and 5 are... 4 and 5 are 9. Okay. My clothes need to be swapped over. But I'll finish this page and then I'll probably be done with this section. I gotta see how else I want to divide this section up to get it all done. Okay, the next section says write the figures that show 1 is meant. Shows 1 is meant. Write the figure that shows 1 is meant. Oh, you just write out the number 1. Okay. And write the figure that shows 9 is meant. And then you write that figure out for a 9. And then you write the figure that shows what 4 is meant. And then you write the number 4. And then you write the figure that shows what 7 is meant. And then you write the number 7. Okay. With the figures that you have made, make stands for the greatest numbers of things. What? Which of the figures that you have made stand for the greatest number of things? The number 9. That's the biggest one. Which figure stands for the least number of things? That's the number 1. And it says, write the words for which these figures stand. You write out the word 9 spelt out. You spell out the word 7. You spell out the word 1. And you spell out the word 4. Then you spell out the word 1. Then you spell out the word 7. Then you spell out the word 4. Then you spell out the word 9. And that concludes this lesson, lesson 5 on 43. Lesson 6 is a whole nother section. So if you want to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring the notification bell for all notifications.